In this session, we will going to take up the difference between the double equals and a single equals operator. What it means, you might have noticed that the double equal operator, that is equal to, has two equal signs, while the equals operator, which is an assignment statement, has just one equal sign. It's easy to confuse these two operators with each other. To remember these points, first one, the double equal operator, which is equal to, asks whether the two values are equal or are the same to each other. And the single equal operator, which is nothing but is an assignment, puts the value on the right into the variable on the left. That means, what does it mean? Suppose if I say x equals 5, the value which is on the right hand side, which is 5, is assigned to the variable on the left. So that means the value of x will going to be equal to 5. To help remember which is which, they notice that the double equal operator, which is equal to, consists of two characters, just like which is not equal to operator or less than or equal to operator or whatever it is, consists of two characters. And then we have the Boolean operators. So what are these Boolean operators? The three Boolean operators are AND, OR and NOT, are used to compare the Boolean values. Like what? The comparison operator, they evaluate this expression down to a Boolean value. So like binary Boolean operators, like the AND and OR operators always take two Boolean values, that is OR expressions. So they are considered as the binary operators because you have two. The AND operator evaluates an expression to true if both the values are true, and otherwise it evaluates to false. So we have an example. What is that? True and true is always true. True and false is always false. And false and true is always false. And false is always false. A truth table shows very possible results of the Boolean operators, which I told just now. The true and true, which evaluates to true. The true and false, which evaluates to false. False and true, which evaluates to false. False and false, which evaluates to false. On the other hand, the OR operator evaluates an expression to true if either of the two Boolean values is true. If both are false, then it evaluates to false. What does it mean? For example, false or true, any one of the values is true, so obviously it becomes true. False or false, both are false, that is why it is false. Like the true or true is always true. True or false is true. False or true is true. False or false is false. Then the NOT operator, unlike AND and OR, the NOT operators on only one Boolean value or expression. This makes it as a unary operator. The NOT operator simply evaluates to the opposite of the Boolean value. So that means not true is false, not false is true. Not true. So what does it mean? So first it evaluates from the right to left. So that means the not true is false. Not false is true. Not true is false. Not false is becomes true. The NOT operator's truth table, the expression is not true, that becomes it false. Not false will becomes true. So print not 0. Not 0 is what? 0 is false and 1 is true. So not false is true and not 1 is false because 1 is true. So not true is false. So then we go for the next one is on the mixed Boolean operators. Mixing Boolean and comparison operators. But before that, we will try to execute all these things which we have come across so far. So once you come to this, I will say print true and true and true is true. Okay, print true and true is true. Print this, we are trying to do it by using the Boolean truth table. True and false is false. Then here I will take false and true. False and true is false. Then similarly, false and false will always be false. False and false will always be false. So this is the one type of the Boolean operators what we are talking about. Then we comes to the OR operator. So first we are going to take up true or true. True or true is always true. Then true or false. True or false is true. Yes. Then false or true is true. Then false or false becomes false. Yes. Now the next thing is, we have, this is also over. Now we will come down to the not operator. The not true print, we will go for not true is false, not true is false, then not false is true. Then we have not zero print, not zero. Zero is false, so true. Yes, 1 is false, true. Sorry, 1 is true, so therefore it becomes false. Not 1 is false because 0 is false and 1 is true. Similarly, if you have not true, now if you consider not true, so it becomes true, because if you consider not true is false, not false is true, not true is false, not false is true. So that is the reason why you are getting true here. So this is how you will be able to analyze the Boolean operators of with AND, OR and NOT operator. Thank you.